Division, finding the missing divisor. So at the bottom left, we have 64 divided by something equals 16. The way that we can find the number that we're looking for, this number here, is we can do 64 divided by the 16, and that comes to 4. And if we check that, 64 divided by 4 is 16. Over on the right hand side, 72 divided by something is 12. So let's turn that question round to 72 divided by 12. That comes to 6. Now we see that's right. 72 divided by 6 is 12. And then on the bottom right-hand side, we have 45 divided by something is 5. Let's divide that by 5, and we get 9, and there we have our answer again. Division, finding the missing divisor. Those are the answers.